pointing para tighter sila. Inhale here. On your exhale, round in your nose. Inhale back up. Exhale with your nose. Inhale back up. Last one, exhale with your nose, hold. Going back to our low lunge. So left foot forward, rise up. Nice, tuck your tailbone. Hips low. Keep that form as you reach your arms up high. Inhale. On your exhale, bend your elbows, snap those arms, lift, breathe. And then lean forward that way, so flat back. Pull your hands in front of your heart. Hook your right elbow outside your left knee this time. Lift your torso, push tight into the elbows. You can bring your gaze over your left shoulder. Nice. And then back to center, arms up. Inhale. And then on your exhale, hands down for your half split, hips back, left leg straight, toes. Wherever you are, kahit nakabend si left knee, pointing yung toes up. Para active, para you're in control. Kasi if not, nakabalance sila eh. So, you won't feel the stretch. Re-bend your knee, hands down, up your back toe, and then lift. Supported warrior face over, and then up. Walk your hands forward. Yung kamay nyo, nandun lang siya right below your shoulders. So it won't be too far, no toes. Silipin nyo lang yung right toes, make sure it's pointing down. Kasi for now, nakalift yung right foot nyo eh. Kailangan square yung hips eh. So lower your right hip down. Release your right foot next to your left. Inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Bring down your feet, rise up slowly. So again, interlace your fingers except for your pointer lengthen. Then exhale over to your right. Left shoulder leans back. Maybe this time try to move here. Ang iipitin nyo, ang gaya nyo is mag-iipit nyo this side. So you just feel the stretch here. Back to center, other side. So up and over here. And then back to center. Bend your elbows, stack those arms, lift, gaze up. Nice. And then reach your arms up, palms together, look up. On your exhale, fold tayo all the way down. Inhale halfway, flat back. Step your right foot back, and then your left. So vinyasa, or you can go straight to your child's pose. At your own pace. Okay. Na-confuse kayo na pag kinakalitan. Case. Pang ano kasi, pang back bends kasi tayo. So yung knees just chin, mas nakakatulong with your back bends. So rise up tayo, tabletop, and then pose down, sphinx pose tayo. So next time. Push your elbows back, hard forward. So focus on your breath. Breathe. Tapos may parang mas sensitive yung sa part ng katawan na unconscious yung hindi tight siya. Hindi na kailangan. So tap that part of your body para mag-relax siya. So, okay. Grab your strap. Hindi naman siguro magkakataan ng space na. So ganito naman, gagawin natin yung ginagawa ganyan. Ito. Ang problema dito sa nakadapa. Mag-adjust kayo. Ang nangyayari ito, yung elbow yung nagbibig. So, hindi mo na-relate si shoulder niya. Ang kailangan, up and then back. Nakita niyo yung difference ng dumadaan ng dito. Kumbaga, yung arm, yung elbow mo na kayo bumalaw. Yung kailangan yung shoulder yung mag-rotate. Okay? Tapos, ang tingin nyo, below your face lang. Kasi pag dumingin kayo sa harap, mas straight pa yung back nyo. At the same time, aarma yung dulo. So, tingin lang kayo sa floor. Para hindi nyo lang po dumain. You have to lift ito. Pag nilift nyo kasi ito, kayo na this time, kung naalala niyo yung grip, mas itiyan na natin, konti lang. Kayo yung siguro yung grip nyo, soft pa rin. Para anytime na nasa taas ka, kailangan mo mag-adjust, kaya. So, mas mas may yung grip nyo. So, again, inhale, lift, kaya, head up, inhale down, inhale up, tapos exhale down. Yun na. Ayos, inhale up. Exhale down. Last na. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And then exhale down. Release. Release your arms aside. Shoulders. Breathe. Para mamaya mag-flip tayo ng grip. So, both pose next. Bend your knees lang. Grab your feet, your ankles. Kung ano yung akong natin today. Tapos lift. Kick your legs back. Bring your hands underneath your elbows. Rise up, careful. Maybe this time, up-long tayo. You're lifting your knees off your mat. Pero huwag kayo sumusog. Dahil pag-lift nyo medyo susog. Ibababa nyo sa hip. And then you push down dun sa hands. You can lift your chest up and then knees up. Hey, knees down. Knees wide, big toes to touch. Child's pose yung tayo. So just to bring your spine back to neutral. Hayaan nyo bumaba sa chest down. Yung arms, yung shoulders get heavy. Para hindi, kasi if not, pag hindi nyo kaya i-relax yung shoulders, isipin mo pagod na siya. Kaya lang hindi nyo siya binigyan ng time para magpahinga. So make sure na nakapagpahinga siya. Make sure na yung attention mo nandun sa pag-drop ng shoulders mo. Para mas may energy siya pagbalik. So rise up tayo back to our tabletop. Tuck your toes. Going back to our downward facing dog. Breathe here. So right leg up on your inhale. Down the nose space. On your exhale, right foot forward tayo. Warrior two. Good with your left. Rise up. Arms to the feet. Face forward. Push natin yung right knee open. Kakalat kasi si knee. Push it open. Lean forward, side angle. Forearm to your thigh. Left arm up. Half bind. So flip your left palm. Wrap it behind you. Full bind. Right arm goes under. Interlace your fingers. Lift your torso pagka-grab natin. Push your knee forward then. Nice. Breathe. Balik tayo ng side angle. So right hand down. Left arm up. Rise up to your warrior two. And then flipping your front palm. Lift up and back. Reverse. Nice. You can stay here or you can start to lift your right heel up. Pero pag lift natin yung right heel, lower your hips down more. Breathe. Exhale, heels down, legs straight, arms to the triangle tayo this time. So kung kailangan mo adjust yung stance for your triangle, go ahead. Reach forward on your inhale. Right hand down slowly. Left arm up. Observe within how your shoulders feel. Half moon. So left hand your hip. Look down. Shift your weight to your right foot. Left leg up. Mag-candy tayo. Candy cane. Kung mahirap abutin yung foot sa likod, lagay nyo sa harap. Grab your foot. Slowly kick back. Open. Breathe. Good. Take your time. Look down. Breathe. Nice. Tapos you can slowly raise. Extend muna natin yung arms and legs. And then raise, we step back. Reverse that leg. Right arm up. Grab your left arm behind you. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Inhale. On your exhale part, heel your hands down. Curl your back. Heel toe your right foot out. Lizard. Muna. So left knee down. Point your toes. Elbows down. Allow your limbs to get heavy. Tapos breathe tayo deeper. On your breaths. So raise up back more quad stretch tayo para dun sa back bends. Breathe. And then you can slowly release. So sweep your right arm up and then back on your mat. Tuck your back toe, lift your knee. And then pull your right knee to your chest and then release natin yung right knee down below your hip line. Right knee down sa center. Yung hands balik nyo underneath your shoulders. So half chin tayo. Lean forward. Ang tingin natin forward. Chin down. Legs up. Point nyo yung toes.